Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I bring a course that is Aerospace or Aeronautics Engineering, and this course is a specialization course which is available on Coursera. And now I will tell you the entire information about this course and the way you can learn this course freely and also get certificate freely. So watch this video up to the last minute. And before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. And for getting much more content and technology material, you can join our Telegram channel. I currently started my channel, so you can join it and get much more content materials and a lot of things that is not able to share on the YouTube. So go to the link that I provide on the description part and join our Telegram channel. So now we'll move on to the content. First I will show you the description or content or the syllabus of this course. Then I will tell you that how you can enroll for this course and enjoy the study without paying a single amount. So we'll go to the first link. So here is the specialization course, and this course name is Digitalization in Aeronautics and Space Specialization. And this is also applicable to the mechanical engineering also. Those who are from mechanical engineering and want to do aerospace science or aeronautical engineering course, then you can go for this also. That's no issue for this. And now I'll show you the how much courses are available under the specialization. Go to the courses, then see here course 1. First course is digitalization in aerospace industry. Second course is digitalization in space research. Third course is digitalization in aeronautics. So there are total 3 courses are available under this specialization. And see, these are our professor that will provide you the content, and it is offered by TUM University. It is an Europe top university. And what are the industry partners here? Airbus, IBEC, Global Aerospace Campus, Munich Aerospace. So these are the industry partners, and these are the information about this course, and these are the frequently asked questions. So now these are the content, and the syllabus is available under the each courses. See here, this is about this course, and see the information. You can entirely get the information regarding this course. Then how the specialization work, that you can go through it and learn. It's no issue. There are 2 ways you can learn this course. First, you can enroll for free and learn this content, but you will not able to get the certificate without paying amount. So you have to pay amount. See here, when I click enroll for free, then it will ask for the money to get the certified course. But if you want to just study, no need certificate, then you can go through it and learn this course without paying a single amount. And one another way is financial aid application. You can apply for financial aid and you will get the approval for this course and learn this course freely and also get the certificate. So today I will tell you that how you can apply for the financial aid, what are the material things that you have to be careful, and how you can fill the questions that are asked on this application. So entire information I will tell you. Don't worry about it. Connect with me and watch this video. And one thing more I will tell you, under the courses there are 3 courses, okay? Then we have to apply separately one by one for all these courses, and I'll give you the sample of the financial aid application, that what are the questions it will ask. First you can go for first course, then you can go for second, then you have to apply for third course. That is the protocol of to applying. For example, when we apply for the first one, you will get the financial approved, but again you have to apply for the second course, and similarly you can apply for the course third. You can fill the same answer for all these 3, so there is no issue about this. And one more thing, for the approval it will take 15 days. So plan on that basis so that you will not lag the course behind. So when you are doing the first course and the 15 days course remaining, then you can apply for the second course. And when you completing the course 1, you will get the result of the course 2, so that you can learn this course on regular basis. Similar pattern you can follow for the third course. So now we'll go to the financial aid available, and the link for each content I will share on the description part, so don't worry about all this. So we'll go to the financial aid available. First click on it, then it will ask for login or sign up option. If you're new to this website, then we will go to the sign up option, create your account, and if you already have account on this, then go to the login option, provide your email ID and password, then go to the login option. After that, page will be loaded. Then we'll go to the financial aid. See here, you can try for free, but only for 7 days only for full free access trial. Then after that it will remove. So it's better to go for financial aid application. That's the best choice. And I have a personal experience that I did a very specialization courses on this website, so I found it is very effective. So go for the financial aid available, click on it. Then it will ask for continue the application for the course Specialization in Aerospace Industry or enroll and start learning today. I will go to the continue to the application, click on it, then click on here, then type as same as above, then click on continue. After that it will ask for educational background, so select your educational background. For example, I have a college degree. I'll click on it. Annual income, always put 0. Employment status, select student. How much you can afford to pay, 0. Then it will ask for question, why are you applying for financial aid? 150 word minimum required. For that purpose I share the link, I share the answer. So just see here in my blog, I share the answer here, financial aid question with sample answer for Specialization Aeronautics and Specialization. So go for it and select the answer, copy, then just paste it. For second answer, how will take this course help you achieve your career goal? The second answer will be here, is here. So select the answer and copy, paste it here. After that, see here, select the no option. Then if you answer no, please help us understand why. For this answer also I say here. Third answer is copy, select and copy, then paste it here. After that, click on submit application. I'm not interested for this course because I am from different background and I have different interest. So I show that how you can apply. Just submit the application. Then the one notification will be shown here that your application is submitted, and you will get the result after the 15 days. Just 15 days they will take to provide you the decision. Get the email after the 15 days on your register email of this account. So in this way you can follow my command and you can apply, and I guaranteed you will get the financial aid approval for this course, because I personally make the answer, because these two answers are very important to get financial aid approval. So I make it very best so that you will get financial aid approval. And after 15 days when you get the approval, comment below down and share your feelings. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video to your friend circle and other needed person or group. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. And our Telegram channel is also there. Join us on Telegram channel and get much more content and update. So we'll meet on the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.